When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile. But it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.